him going to sneak into Alice's room while she's taking a nap. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Look how good Alice is sleeping. I think I'm gonna do something to make her up. Bodo.
Ah. Not Alice. You scared me. And what are you doing in my room?
I snirkede into your room, Alice. And things scared you. Haha.
What? Are you kidding me right now, not Alice? I can't believe you sneaked into my room and then scared me while I was taking a nap. You need to be quiet when someone is taking a nap. That's it, not Alice. You're grounded for 6 days. Go to your room now.